So, many people in the keyboard community still don't understand why you need to loop your switches. Well, this is why. This these are Gatron blacks, by the way, and this is how an unlooped switch sounds. As you can see, they sound really scratchy and really unappealing to the ears. But this is what a loop switch sounds like. You can see no scratchiness and they sound amazing. But make sure you don't overloop them because you'll go from sounding like this to sounding like this. So make sure to appropriately loop your switches.